Fresh cracks within ZANU-PF have emerged after party spokesperson Christopher Mutsvangwa launched a sharp attack on Vice President Constantino Chiwenga, accusing him of weaponizing the term Zvigananda to advance his own presidential ambitions. Sarabina Mashubdani punches Mutsvangwa roast General Chiwenga for humiliating Zvigananda amid intensifying ZANU-PF succession tension. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Timna Mubdani Comchinsi, Mutsvangwa said. Chiwenga's recent attacks on a group of politically connected business elites were less about fighting corruption and more about positioning himself for a future leadership bid. The vice president recently revived the liberation era term Zvigananda to describe wealthy individuals accusing of benefiting from state patronage and corrupt dealings. Addressing journalists at ZANU-PF headquarters in Harare on Thursday, Mutsvangwa defended the targeted business class and argued that the term was being deliberately distorted for political mileage. He traced the phrase back to the liberation struggle, insisting it had historically been misused by power-hungry individuals seeking influence. The petty bogus was translated to Zvigananda now because people were ambitious for power. In the 1976 Shandy Rebellion, they started labeling someone as a Zvigananda in the war. Mutsvangwa argued that such labels had no legitimate basis during the war since combatants did not own property, suggesting the accusations were rooted in political manipulation rather than ideology. Although he avoided mentioning Chiwenga by name, Mutsvangwa's remarks appeared clearly aimed at Vice President Constantino Chiwenga, whose growing political influence and perceived presidential aspirations have increasingly steered succession debate within the ruling party. He also questioned what he described as selective outrage over black vote accumulation. Though bad developments are not pangwa anyway. In the comment section, we will find out more about this Chiwenga attack. So subscribe or like, or turn on the bell icon.